You took a picture with a background you aren't happy about. Here's how to easily remove or change the background of an image. This is the image I want to remove or change the background. With the original image, you can see the image background is the sea with rushing waves. We would be changing it to this kind of walkway also at the seaside, or we would eventually delete the background to make it transparent. For this tutorial, we would be using a free open source website, so you would need to be connected to the internet to use it. Get connected to the internet and move to your internet browser. So in your internet browser, open a new tab and search for remove background. You can also do this on your mobile phone. Let me know in the comment section if you want a video on that tutorial. When you search for remove background, select the first website, which is the remove.bg website. There are other websites, but the first one is recommended. Open the remove.bg website in a new tab and move to that newly opened tab, and let's continue from there. When the website loads for the first time, you would see something like this. When you scroll down a bit, you can see the various things you can perform with this website for free. On the main page, you can see this glorious upload image button. Click on it to upload the image you want to remove or change the background into the website. When you click on the upload image background, it would open the Files Explorer page where you can look for the image you would be working with. You can see that by just uploading the image into the website, it has removed the background of the image in a matter of just seconds. So you can just click on the download button to download the image onto your desktop computer or PC. But we can also change the background of the image by selecting add background. And here you can choose from countless background, which are all free. You can also choose from countless solid colors. You can also just blur the original background of the image, but I will change the background, so I will select the desired background I want to change the original one to. When you have your desired background, just click on done. You can now download that image also onto your desktop computer or PC. Clicking on erase or restore, you can delete an element from an image. Maybe the image has two people in it. You can delete one person from the image. When you click on the button at the middle of the commands under the image, you can see the original image and the new image. If you have watched the video to this point and enjoyed it, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn about the top 5 best tech companies in the world, I will leave that video on the end card so that you can check it out. See you next time.